and then you'll die.
Welcome back to CNews guys. In this video we will see how to download and install MongoDB in our Windows 10 environment. In the previous video we have seen that how to install the MySQL in my Windows 10 environment. So if you have missed that video, don't get worried. Please go to YouTube and simply type CNews. In the software essentials you will find the how to download and install MySQL in Windows 10. I will also provide the link in the description section. Okay. Now we will proceed with the installation of MongoDB now. So before the installation we should know what is the use of MongoDB, right? So as like MySQL is a relational database, it's a non-relational database. So if you are confusing with what is relational and what is non-relational, don't get worried. In a minute you can get a clear-cut idea about what is relational and what is non-relational. So in MongoDB, instead of tables and columns, it will use something like collections and documentation. It's a non-relational database. So okay, you should not find any tables here. It is something like collections and document type objects. Okay, let's see the features of MongoDB once. Okay, so these are all the features such as high performance and the sharding option is provided, and schema-less database. Okay, this database will not should not have any schema. Okay, it has something like indexing option. Okay, it is something like document oriented. It is not table relational. Okay, it will all consist of documents. So we will see now how to install this in our environment. So okay, now simply open your browser and type MongoDB download. Okay, yeah, here you will find something like my MongoDB community download. So this is the link that we are going to navigate now. Okay, simply click on my MongoDB. I will provide the link in the description. Okay, now you will find the download file here. It will automatically recognize your operating system. If it not, just change your operating, you can change your operating system like Linux or Windows or okay, and the version of MongoDB. Okay, mine is my Windows, so this platform has intelligence that it identifies my operating systems as Windows, so it shows the MSI file of that operating system. Okay, I simply click on download. Yeah, okay, my MongoDB file has been started download. I'm just pausing it as I already have that. Okay, this was the executable file that you are going to witness in your download section. Simply double click on that. Okay, this is the pop-up that you are going to witness. Simply click on next. Okay, I'm agreeing all the permissions that are asked for. Yeah, okay, click on complete. So this is the file location and directory locations. Okay, this was the service name, so don't we need not to change anything. Simply click on next. Yeah, okay, please make sure that this has been checked. Okay, next. Okay, click on install. Yeah, that's it guys. The MongoDB is now starting all the packages, importing itself. Okay, it will take a minute to import all the packages. Okay, once this is complete I will be back in a minute. Okay, please stay tuned. Yeah, the installation has been started guys. Okay, so it will load all the plugins that are required. So okay, this was the dashboard of MongoDB. So simply click on connect. Okay, so this was the dashboard that we are going to work with. So here we can create databases, the database names such as students, and the collection names such as details. Okay, I was not giving any of this. Okay, yeah, my student database has been created. If you can give the size also, you can give the storage size and how many collections are there in that, and you can also give that, and you can also check the performance of your database here. Okay, how many are registered and how many students are there right now. So everything will be witnessed here. Okay, cool. So if you have any doubts, comment out in the comment section. So on behalf of Seniorways, we are all appreciating the work of all the frontline warriors in this battle of COVID-19. So you too maintain all the COVID-19 protocols and stay home, stay healthy, guys. Be safe, be careful. So signing off on behalf of Seniorways.